शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्याये सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ यश्छन्दसां वृषभो विश्वरूपः छन्दोऽव्योऽध्यमृतात् सम्बभूव समेन्द्रो मेघया शृणोतु अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासं शरीरं मे विचर्षणं जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविश्रुवं ब्रह्मणः कोशोऽसि मेधया पीतः श्रुतं मे गोपाय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। यस्यैव स्फुरणं सदात्मतमसः कल्पार्थकं भासते साक्षात् तत्त्वमसीति वेदवचसा यो बोधयत्याश्रितान् यत्साक्षात्करणात् भवेन्न पुनरावृत्तिर्भवाम्भो निधौ तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः।
जन्माद्यस्य यतः पेज 49 लाइन 3 यथोक्त विशेषणस्य न यथोक्त विशेषणस्य पेज 49 लाइन 3
न यथोक्त विशेषणस्य जगतः यथोक्त विशेषणं ईश्वरं मुक्त्वा अन्यतः प्रधानात् चेतनात् अणुभ्यः अणुभ्यः अभावात् संसारिणः वा उत्पत्त्यादि संभावयितुं शक्यम्।
So if you read together, then it must be pradhanadachetana. If you say pradhanat, you have to spell a word also. Otherwise it will. Before proceeding, we will see little something more about the word bhutani in yatova imani bhutani. Page 47. Starting from 46. जन्मनश्च आदित्वं श्रुति निर्देशापेक्षं वस्तु वद्वृत्तापेक्षं च श्रुति निर्देशः तावत् यतो वा इमानि भूतानि जायन्ते इति अस्मिन् वाक्ये etc. So the context was in the Janmadi Sutra, Janmadyasya yatah, Janma Adi, that compound, Janma is mentioned first, Adi. How? Two reasons were given. What is that? One is Shruti Nirdeshapeksham. Nirdesha is declaration of the Shruti. Apeksham we had seen with respect to, but better in accordance with. If you take Apeksha means it is in Apeksham. Better take it as in accordance with. In accordance with the declaration of the Shruti and Vastu Vritta Apeksham that we have seen. in accordance with the fact or the reality. That is what we find. Now what I want to say is that yato va imani bhutani jayante yena jatani jivanti yat prayanta visamvishanti tad vijidnyasasva tad brahmeti. This is the Shruti statement. What does that bhutani mean? That is our point, which was not clarified earlier. Bhutani. In Taittiriya, Bhriguvalli, bhutani meaning is given as praninaha, the living beings. It means the living beings. But do you know any other word for bhutani? Any other meaning for a word bhuta? Panchamahabhutas. Space, air, fire, water, earth. Why should it not be taken? In Taittiriya Bhriguvalli, we have to take as living beings only because yena jatani jivanti, being born from which they continue to live. Jiva is what? Prana dharane. So therefore, what is referred to by yato vaiman jayante bhutani, living beings and not panchamahabhutas. This is as far as the Taittiriya Vakya is concerned. But when it is used in where? Janmadhyasya Sutra, bhutani means both panchamahabhutas and also the living beings. Why? The context is of entire creation. When you speak of entire creation, first what should be there? Panchamahabhuta. Because the upadhis, the embodiments of the jivas are made up of Panchamahabhutas only. Without Panchamahabhutas it is not there. Even Brahmananda Valli, tasmad va etasmad atmana akasha sambhutaha akashad vayu. First the creation of the five elements. So therefore the context being that of entire creation, you can't just start with the living beings only, and therefore this has to be taken. It can be taken by upalakshana. Upalakshana. Somebody said, see, like some example for children, no? Two different pairs of words are given, they have to connect. Now, Iravati and Airavata. So that fellow connected, boy connected. The mother asked, mother, how could you know? He says, because Iravati is the name of a lady. Airavata is an elephant. In Puranas, anything can happen. In Puranas, anything happens. Like that, by Upalakshana. Upalakshana, anything can happen? No. It is Upalakshana, true, but there is a clue. One is what? The context is of the creation. Number two is much more important. Prakrityadhikarana is going to come. Prakrityadhikarana, because that adhikarana is connected with the Janmadhyadhikarana only. We have seen this because Janmadhyasyata speaks, really speaking, only of Upadana Karana, material cause. We have seen it also means the efficient cause, Nimitta Karana, because this is so established in Prakrityadhikarana. Brahma as both Nimitta Karana, efficient cause, and Upadana Karana is established in the Prakrityadhikarana 1.4.23 to 27. First chapter, 4th Pada, Sutra 23 to 27. And the same thing is taken here for granted. It will be, we will be seeing afterwards. So after, of course, it comes after Chatusutri. The 4th Pada, we will be seeing that after. That, in that Adhikarana, many Shruti statements, Upanishadic Vakyas are referred to. And all those Vakyas refer to what? The birth of Panchamahabhutas also, and they speak of entire creation, and therefore here also we have to take Bhutani means both Panchamahabhutas and also the living beings. It has to be taken. Now coming to this Janmadyasyataha, this sutra in itself involves a yukti. What is that? That from Brahma is that from which Jagat is born, in which Jagat exists, unto which it merges back after destruction. That is what. And how do you say it is Brahma? Anushanga. What is Anushanga? Connection. Connection with what? Earlier sutra, because the topic is Brahma Jidnyasa, and therefore definition cannot be anything about this. It also means the cause of Jagat is Brahma and nothing else. Cause of Brahma is Jagat. Cause of Jagat is Brahma and nothing else. That is, Brahma is the cause of the Jagat, and there cannot be anything else as the cause of the Jagat. Suppose if it were there, we are saying what will happen? That something else will limit Brahma. Brahma will no more be Brahma, and if Brahma is limited, moksha is not possible. So therefore, this is the yukti implied in the sutra when the adhyara is given. Tat Brahma. Tat was adhyara, Brahma was anushanga from this. So this is the yukti involved. But same thing, this yukti is elaborated where? In the Tarka Pada, the second pada of second chapter. So what is that told? It is in elaboration. Briefly, Bhashyakara mentions here, na yatho means there is no other cause than Brahma. There is no other cause for the Jagat than Brahma. So he says, yathokta visheshanasya jagataha yathokta visheshanam ishvaram muktva anyataha pradhanat acetanat anubhyaha abhava samsarinaha va. We have to add there jagataha utpatyadi sambhavaitum. No, now we have kept it in reserve. Na shakyam. That first na has to come with shakyam. This is the bhashya, so you be very careful. Sometimes the sentence is too long and in the beginning na is there. By the time you come to the end of this, you forget the na, and you know what happens? You have to look up and down, provided you know some meaning about it, because the meaning is right opposite. Na shakyam. This is not possible. Means other than this cause, so Brahma as Ishvara, other than that, no cause can be imagined, can be considered, no cause can produce the effect Jagat. What is that yathokta visheshanasya jagataha? This refers to the four adjectives on page 47. Namarupabhyam vyakritasya 1, anekakartru bhoktru sanyuktasya 2, pratiniyata desha kala nimitta kriya phalashrayasya 3, manasa api achintya rachana rupasya. These are the four adjectives. See, yathokta visheshanasya jagat. Adjectives for what? Jagat. Means, so of this jagat, that is, it says utpatyadi, of this jagat utpatyadi. So whatever yathokta visheshanam muktva. What is yathokta visheshanam muktva? The one who is sarvajna, sarvashaktiman. So one who is sarvajna and sarvashaktiman. Page 48. Yataha sarvajnat sarvashaktehe karana. From that Ishvara who is sarvajna and sarvashaktehe. So yathokta visheshanam Ishvaram muktva. Muktva means having given up, having left out, abandoning, means without that Ishvara, say muktva. Anyataha, from anything else. What are those? Namely, see that pradhana, the pradhana of Sankhya, which is jada in nature. And therefore, pradhana achetana. That word achetana is kept in between pradhana and anubhya. So therefore, it is applicable to both pradhana and anu. That is, acetanat pradhana, acetanat anubhya. Of course, acetanat straight away you can't say because anubhya is plural, but the acetanatva does apply. It is what is called as dehali deepa nyaya. Dehali, not Delhi, not Delhi. Maybe, see, that word must have come. Dehali means threshold. See, Dehali means threshold. A lamp is kept on the threshold. What does it do? It illumines outside, it illumines inside. Bombay, this example will work. In a village, see, where electricity is not there, and a lamp is kept on the threshold. It illumines inside the house, outside the house. So therefore, this achetana word is kept in between, applies to pradhana, also applies to anubhya, but anubhya is in plural, that's why you have to take the plural of them. So pradhana, achetana, and also anu. These anus means atoms. We had atomists. So who is that atom? The Vaisheshikas. So Nayayika, Vaisheshika. They are brothers only. So their philosophy is more or less a little difference here and there it may be. Acetanat, anubhya, or abhavat. Abhava is shunya, from shunya, or samsarinahava, from samsari, jivas, like who? Hiranyagarbha, va, jagataha, of this jagat, utpatyadi, utpatti, sthiti, and bhangam, says sambhavaitum, to imagine, to conceive, to consider, or to produce, na shakyam, is not possible. Now, here, when that asheshanas, yathokta visheshanasa jagataha was told, we have already seen in the tika that pradhana cannot create jagat, then from shunya it is not possible, jivas cannot create. The reasoning we have already seen. Just to remind you, so what was that? See, what was told there? Jagata nama rupabhyam vyakritasya. The jagat which is manifest in terms of names and forms, for which we had seen an illustration of a pot maker making a pot. What does he do? First he conceives the pot, then taking the mud creates the pot in terms of name and form. Two things are there. He has created from something and not from non-existent thing, shunya. Other thing, the pot maker is sachetanaha. Means the creation also is sachetana or chetana kartrika, created by some sentient entity and not pradhana, inert in nature. Again, jagat is created by some sentient entity and not from shunya. So that who are ruled out now? Pradhana and shunya as the cause of the jagat are ruled out. Then the next adjective phrase was aneka kartru bhoktru sanyuktasya, endowed with many kartas. Bhoktas means jivas, means who are part of the creation. They can't create the jagat. So therefore Hiranyagarbha is a jiva who is within the purview of creation, and therefore Hiranyagarbha cannot create the jagat. So that too. So therefore these three possibilities were ruled out. Tikakara takes now the anu, that is from anu it cannot be made, or also some other this thing will be told by Bhashyakara afterwards. Take fifth line. नामरूपाभ्याम व्याकृतस्य इत्यादीनां च चतुर्णाम, this four adjectives for jagat we had seen, jagat visheshananam, व्याख्यानावसरे, in the during the context of, that is commenting on the four adjectives for the asya jagataha etc. page 47 avasare, what he says is, Tikakara says, I have already shown you that pradhana, shunya and hiranyagarbha cannot create the jagat. That is what he reminds us. Vyakhyānāvasare pradhana shunyayoho. That means these two, pradhana and shunya, as the cause of jagat. Further, samsārinaha cha, and samsari, hiranyagarbha, prajapati etc. who are jivanyeva, nirasaha darshitaha. Refutation. These three, as the one who can create the jagat, was refuted. Now who is left out here? The achetana anu. See, therefore he continues. Now he points out paramanus. So anu, paramanu. Now what interesting thing. Dvanuk, anu, dvanuk, tranuk, like that, like atom, molecules, etc. Yes, like that. Two anus becomes dvanuk, then three becomes tranuk, and all that, and the entire. They are thinking, at least they were trying to figure out. This is from Kanada, sage Kanada. So therefore say, now it is not possible. How? Continuing Tika, Paramanunam Achetananam. Paramanus themselves, this is the philosophy of Nayayika and Vaisheshika. Achetananam, those who are inert in nature, Swataha Pravritya Yoga. Pravritti here is activity. Swataha, on their own, they cannot take to activity. Can anything on its own take to any action? No. Even unmanned rocket, if it goes, some fellow is sitting in some corner operating the remote controls. Is it? So therefore, say, Swataha Pravritya Yoga. So it is not possible for him to, for the anus to create the jagat. Maybe Ishvara can create. He says they don't. Accordingly, we can infer that they don't have Ishvara. Why? Jivanyasya jnana shunyatva niyamena anumana. Their philosophy is like that. You see what is that? Jivanyasya means jivat anyasya. Anything other than jiva is inert in nature. Anything other than jiva is jada. Then Ishvara means, can you say Ishvara is jada? No. Jada and Ishvara also can't do. Ishvara must be Sachetana. But what they say is, Ishvara is different from jiva. So if it is different from jiva, Ishvara also must be jada in nature. Jada can't create anumana, inference. So you so either you set right your philosophy. You say anything other than jiva is jada. Jada cannot take any activity. You can't say Ishvara because you are Ishvara. You are Ishvara means who is Ishvara? But Nayayika, why? Because we have also got Ishvara. We have also it, but our Ishvara is identical with who? Jiva. Jiveshvara abhinnata is there. So your Ishvara different from Jiva, and because different from Ishvara, different from Jiva, must necessarily be inert in nature. So therefore he says, Jivanyasya, Jivat anyasya. So sarvasya, add there sarvasya, of everything. Why everything? Ishvara also is included in it. He says, Jnana shunyatva niyamena. By the niyama, by the rule. Whose rule? Their rule only. So what is that? Jnana shunya. Jnana shunya means inert in nature. Say, anumana, this inference comes, Sarvadneshwara Siddhau. According to your philosophy, Sarvadnya Ishvara cannot be established. Asiddhau, when it cannot be established. Sarveshwara Sarvadnya Ishvara, it cannot be established. So therefore, Tesham Preraka Bhava, someone who can prompt them. Who are those? Paramanus, who are inert in nature. Tesham Preraka, the one who prompts, one who makes them active, one who can activate them. Abhavat, so therefore what? Jagadarambhakatva asambhavaha. From Paramanu, Jagat cannot be created. Why? Themselves cannot create it, and your Ishvara is not established. So asambhavaha iti bhavaha. So therefore, see, all this will be explained in one pada. And you will have tough time also. Okay? Tarkapada you will have tough time. So the real, how much you can really grasp your metals will be seen. It's a good, it's something, something challenging must be there. Even Brahma Sutra, it's a challenging as otherwise Tattvabodha, of course Tattvabodha is required. From Tattvabodha only you have to proceed further. So without alphabets, how can you do PhD in literature? That is there as so that is necessary. So that now see. Now this is out. Now there is one more guy who is Charvaka, Swabhava. Nature, that's all. What a big thing. Unnecessary. Why are you breaking your head? दूसरा कुछ काम नहीं है क्या? So why are you breaking your head? See, look here. Jagat gets created on its own. On its own. So that is that. So what is that? Say, somebody said, say, if you want to say, this who? Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So he was ruling the kingdom properly, taking care of the subject, etc. And I think Sajjangarh fort was being under construction. He got a thought. See, I am patronizing all these laborers by giving them employment, etc. Samarth Ramdas had come there. So he understood. He understood this thing. There is a big boulder there. Chhatrapati Shivaji, break that boulder. So of course, all these laborers and they broke up. From that, one frog jumped out. See, in that little pool of water was there, and one frog jumped out. Samarth Ramdas said, Shivaji, how great you are. How great you are. You are nourishing this frog also. He understood. So that way, anyway. So therefore, yes, by nature it happens. What a big deal, etc. Why you want to bring Ishvara and all that? Hasn't anybody seen Ishvara? Charvakas. What is seen, that only believe. Don't believe anything else they say. So therefore, Swabhava, they say, no. They say, these are the Charvakas, Lokayata. They are to be now replied. Tika continuing. Swabhavadeva vichitram jagat iti lokayataha tam pratyaha. Lokayata means materialistic. So that person, the followers of Charvaka, they say, Swabhavadeva, by mere nature only, vichitram jagat. See, in Bhasha, etc., when the word vichitra comes, don't take strange. It is not strange. Vichitra means variegated, many faceted. So, vividham chitram, of different types. So, variegated. So, that is what is the vichitram. Because we are prone to take as strange because local language vichitra. Kya vichitra admi? What a vichitra. So, not that way. So, here, variegated. Jagat iti lokaya tam pratyaha. Continuing Bhashya.
Nacha svabhavataha विशिष्ट देश काल निमित्तानाम इह उपादानात्
न च स्वभावतः. Afterwards, you can add, see, first take Tika, 49 last line. Jagataha utpadi sambhavaitum na shakyam iti anvayah. See, this is how Tika also helps us to know exactly what is meant in the Bhasha. Gives the entire Vakya. See, Jagat. What is to be done now? Nacha swabhavataha, you have to stop, put a comma there. Because the subsequent phrase tells the reason. What is not from swabhava? What is meant by not from swabhava? Jagat is not born from just nature. So therefore, to make it the same, the Tikakara gives us adhyara. All that Jagataha utpadi sambhavaitum na shakyam. This much should go as the adhyara after swabhavataha. So Vakya will be now Bhashya. Nacha swabhavataha jagataha utpatyadi sambhavaitum shakyam. Na is already there in the beginning. Means what does it mean? From swabhava, the utpatti, sthiti, bhanga of jagat cannot be produced or cannot be imagined, cannot be conceived. That is sambhavaitum, to produce, to conceive, to imagine is not possible. Why so? Tikakara analyzes, out of which second possibility the Bhashyakara himself tells us. Now we have to analyze this swabhava. You say, by swabhava, what is meant by your swabhava? What you mean by this nature? By nature it takes the Tikakara ask the Lokayata Charvaka, Kim swayameva sasya hetuhu. See, what does he mean? By swabhava, by nature. Do you know what this person does? He is refusing to accept a cause for the creation. It is natural. Means, in English what you say? On its own. When you say on its own, you are refusing to accept a cause. You are refuting a cause for the Jagat. Do you mean to say that way? By swabhava is what? Swayameva swasya hetuhu. That the Jagat is cause of itself. One more thing you have to say. Swabhava. Whose swabhava? Nature. Jagat. What they say, this is what swabhava of who? Jagat. Is nature of the Jagat. What? Be born, continue and get destroyed. Why you want any cause for that? That is what they mean as such. So therefore, swayameva swasya hetuhu. Is the Jagat itself the cause of itself and sthiti laya? Uta or karananapeksham, karananapekshatuam, or what you mean by swabhava means no requirement of karana. No cause is required. No cause is required. Which of the two? Tikakara. Tikakara answers one by one. He says, Jagat itself being the cause of itself, swataha eva, is not possible. Do you know? You are landing in what is a defect, logical defect. What is that? Na adyaha atmashrayat. Atmashrayat. Jagat itself cannot be the cause of the Jagat, because this is what happens. Cause and effect are one and the same. It means Jagat depends on itself. It is what is called as a defect of Atmashraya, means dependence on oneself. Suppose you are going to where Kailasa Pradakshina and you prefer to walk and you are so tired, no pony etc. to ride over. Can you not ride over on yourself only? Huh? Ride on yourself only. Is it possible? Atmashraya dosha. You can ride on something else, but you can't ride on yourself. Like that, one thing cannot be itself dependent on itself only, because thing itself defines the thing. There is no question of dependence. Atmashraya. Na dvitiyaha. Not a different one. What is that? Jagat has no cause. Bhashyakara explains why. Vishishta desha kala nimittanam iha upadanat. Iha means in this jagat, in this world. Upadanat, because you acquired. What are those? Which means for doing anything, for creating anything, for producing anything, all these are acquired. What are those? We will see with the illustration. Vishishta desha, a specific place is required. Vishishta kala, a specific time is required. Vishishta nimitta, a specific unique cause is required. All these iha, in the world, Vishishta desha kala nimittanam. Afterwards, make adhyara karyarthibhihi. Nimittanam, afterwards, karyarthibhihi. Karyarthibhihi means those who want to seek the phala. In Bhashya, Karyarthi, it will be clear when we take the further tika. By those, it is like this. By those who want to seek a specific phala, means want to produce something, create something, etc. What is sought here in this world? What is sought? Vishishta desha, Vishishta kala, Vishishta nimitta are sought. If cause were not there, this is not necessary. How? We will see this. For example, you want to have a harvest. You want to take a crop. Or a farmer wants to reap a harvest. What he has to do? He should have a particular type of field. Vishishta desha. He can't take a rock. Vishishta desha. Vishishta kala. It must be specific time. Being in India, it must be somewhere June, July. Because monsoon is setting. Okay. For which plowing, etc. it should be done when? Earlier, in the scorching summer, it has to be done. Then he should acquire the required types of seeds. Nimitta, is it not? All these things. If harvest were to come just like that, how nice it would have been. Will anyone take any they say in Purana, Hiranyakashipu was a great scientist. All scientists today put together will not match Hiranyakashipu. Of course, his method was different, not laboratory method. So what scientists do? They try to investigate the laws of nature and to have a better mastery over the nature. You know Hiranyakashipu? Earth was producing the harvest without sowing. All the rivers and this were plenty of water all that time. All that time no air conditioner required. No air conditioner required. It is cool and calm. Means all Pancha Mahabhutas were serving him as a great master. What science do you want? So, otherwise you have to call Hiranyakashipu back. If you have to call Hiranyakashipu back, you have to call Narasimha also. Narasimha also you have to, because that fellow is too much. So therefore Narasimha also you have to call. So what is required? We find specific place, time, cause, all these are required. Say tika. Vishishtani, Vishishta Desha Kala Nimittani. What is Vishishtani? Asadharanani. Asadharana means specific, not samanya. Sadharana is samanya, general. Asadharana is unique, specific. Asadharana. What are those? Desha Kala Nimittani. So what is to be done with that? Tesham Tika, first line, page 50. Tesham, this specific Desha Kala Nimitta Karyarthibhi. This is the one which was taken as Adhyahara in the Bhashya. Karyarthibhi, by those who wants to seek specific type of result. Say Karyarthibhi. Upadiyamanatvat, because of being used, because of being acquired. See, for example, a medical examination. What is that? There are instruments, etc. They have to be used and all that. So like this, for any specific effect, you need a specific cause as such. So therefore, upadiyamata. So karyasya karananapekshatvam na yuktam iti artha. So that is karya, effect being karanapeksha means independent of cause, not requiring the cause. See, anapeksha, independent of or not requiring the cause. Na yuktam is not proper to say. For which he gives illustration. Anapekshatve. If karya, effect were to be independent of cause, or if effect doesn't require a cause, then what will happen? Dhanyarthinam bhuvisheshe varshadikale bijadi nimitte cha pravrittihi na syaditi bhavaha. Page 15, line 2, tika. Dhanyarthinam, those who want to reap the harvest. Dhanyarthi is who? Who is Vidyarthi? The one who wants to seek Vidya, one who wants to seek Dhanya is Dhanyarthi, one who wants to have the harvest. So, say Dhanyarthi. Bhuvisheshe, particular type of the land, field, okay. Varshadikale, again, depending on what type of crop. Suppose it's vegetable, some specific vegetable, they grow well in the winter only as such. So like that, Varshadikale, the specific, that season, Bijadi nimitte, the seed, manure, and all such nimittas, in that pravrittihi, pursuit, na syaditi bhavaha, na syaditi bhavaha. So therefore, what we find in the world, a person who wants to seek a particular result, he takes to all these karanas, Vishishta Desha, Kala, Nimitta. You want to learn Brahma Sutra. Vishishta Desha. What is that? This place, Vishishta Kala, only Thursday, Friday, Saturday, that also between 6:55 to 8:05. That is the Nimitta. What is Nimitta? Brahma Sutra book must be there. Notebooks must be, notes will be there, pen must be there. All these things. Ear also must be sound. If 1 year doesn't work, 50% Shravana gone. we had one brahmachari. He says he had only 1 year, but he was pakka. He says my 50% Shravana gone. So like that. So this must be there. That is there. You say. So all this must be there or not? Otherwise, you will not sing that way. Means what is that? For every effect, what is required? Cause is required. Fine. So this topic is over. What is that? Jagat cannot be born from pradhana. Jagat cannot be born from anshunya. It cannot be born from jivas, or it cannot be born from anu, and also it cannot be born of swabha, out. Okay. So then we had this already, as Bhashya has already ascertained, Brahma is the cause, and who itself is what? Sarvajnaha, Sarveshwaraha. From where did you get it? Shruti. Now Vaisheshika comes. He is not ready to accept the Shruti. Sir, lighter the better. Don't become Guru. You know what is Guru? Guru has got two meanings. One is the Guru, teacher. Other Guru means heavy. So, see, look, what a job that can be done by inference. Why you want Shruti? Again, they don't, we'll see that they don't accept the Shruti. According to them, Shruti is not the Pramana. See, look, and I will point out, you only have given this Anumana. That is, the cause of Jagat as Ishvara can be established purely based on inference. We don't need your Shruti. How you say it? And this Anumana you have to accept. Why? You means who? Vedanta. Why? You have made use of it. I am pointing you out that you have made use of this Anumana. What is it? Take Etadeha. Now before that, see, look, take the third line of Tika. Third line. Purvokta sarvajnatvadi visheshanakam ishwaram muktva. See, this is for this connection to Etadeva Anumanam, etc. Bhashya, connection to that. Introduction of that portion of I hope I know you know what Tikakara does. A particular word, a particular phrase, or particular sentence he introduces. So and then explains it. Now introducing this Vakya, Etadeva Anumanam, etc. I think better read it.
Etadeva Anumanam Samsari Vyatirikta Ishvara Astitvadi Sadhanam Manyante Ishvara Karaninaha.
Correct. Karaninaha. That's correct. Karaninaha. ठीक है. It says Etadeva Anumanam. This very Anumana. What is that? This Anumana? Sir, you had used. You means so Vedanti. You Bhashyakara. You had used. Etadeva Anumanam. So what is that? What is that? Now we have to say, what is that Anumana? Take that Tika. Purvokta sarvajnati visheshanakam ishwaram muktva. Giving up the Ishvara. Which Ishvara? Purvokta. What is that Purvokta? Sarvajnaha, Sarvashaktima, Sarvajnatvadi Visheshanakam. One who has got such description. Jagataha utpadikam na sambhavati iti bhashyena. Where it was said, see, page 49, Bhashya, third line. Na yathokta visheshanasya jagataha yathokta visheshanam ishwaram muktva jagataha utpatyadi sambhavaitum na shakyam. Without such Ishvara, what is that? The Utpatti Sthiti, Bhanga of Jagat cannot be imagined, cannot be effected. So that is what you had told. So that Jagata Utpadna Sambhavet iti Bhashyena. What does this Bhashya mean? It tells this. What is that? Namely, Kartaram vina karyam nasti iti vyatirekaha uktaha. This Bhashya points out Kartaram vina. without a creator, without a producer, a doer, karyam nasti, effect, result is not there. Iti vyatirekaha uktaha. A contrast means, what is the contrast? No karta, no karya. Yes or no? Yes. No karta, no ukta. So therefore, this is very clever in deducing things. Because Nayayika, Tarkika, very clever. Therefore, this is the rule. What is that? He says, Tena, because of this, the Bhashya itself shows that without karta, no effect, no result, karya is possible. Therefore, yat karyam, whatever that is the karya, the result, the phala, tat, that karya, sakartrukam, it is accompanied by a creator, the doer, means it presupposes a doer. See, this microphone, do you know the make? No. There is a manufacturer, is it not? Why? It is karya. So any karya is sakartrikam. Iti vyaptihi jnayate. This vyapti means rule, niyama, sahacharya, niyama. Invariable concomitance. Sahacharya niyama. So therefore this vyapti is understood. Etadeva vyapti jnanam jagati pakshe kartaram sadhayat sarveshwaram sadhayati. All that you want to establish is what? Creator of the jagat. Make use of this vyapti. What is that? Yat karyam tat sakartrikam. You put in inverted comma. The tika, fourth line. Yat karyam tat sakartrikam. So whatever that is, effect itself is this. It has got a karta. God here is karta, the creator. So that we say sakarta iti vyapti. We say this vyapti sadhayat. That is kartaram sadhayat. Establishing, proving the existence of karta. Sarveshwaram sarvadneshwaram sadhayati. And if he has to create the sarva jagat, he should also have the sarva jnana. So there sarvadneshwaram sadhayati. So what? Kim shrutya iti. What I have to do? What I have to do with the shruti? So lighter the better. So shruti iti, he says, tarkikanam bhrantim upanyasyati. This delusion, wrong notion of tarkika is being introduced. Upanyasyati is introduced. Where? Etadeva anumanam. See, now a new topic is going to be started. What is that? The basis for Brahma Sutra is not reasoning. Because Vaisheshika Tarkikas are very keen because they are allergic to Shruti. So that is what that. So now slowly the topic is now being introduced by the same. Otherwise you will not. Why suddenly the Tarkikas have come here, etc. We'll see that. So that is fine. So that is what is told. This. Etadeva anumanam. What is anumana? Yat karyam tat sakartrikam. They can put this way. Jagat chetana kartrikam. Karyatvat ghatavat anumanam. Jagat chetana kartrikam. Jagat is created by some sentient entity. Why? Karyatvat, because it is the effect. How? Illustration, ghatavat. This should be, see, it appears to be very sound logic, but there is a flaw. Do you know why? This vyapti, yat karyam tat sakartrikam, applies provided you are able to perceive the things. So you have seen a pot is made by who? Pot maker. A microphone is manufactured by a manufacturer. A cloth is made by a weaver. Like the ornaments are made by goldsmith, etc. You have seen this. And therefore you say, your observation is limited to the perceptible field. When you talk of creation of the Jagat, Apaurusheya field, Brahma who has seen, Ishvara creating the Jagat who has seen. Had you seen one creation? No, that day evening I went for a walk. And that Ishvara was sitting and creating a Jagat. Ishvara has created this Jagat like the one which I saw the other day evening while going for a walk. You are right. Illustration, Drishtanta must be there. Idhara Drishtanta? No. So therefore, your reasoning is applicable to this world, in the created world, where you observe and deduce the truth. We are talking of the very creation of Jagat, which is beyond your perceptible field, called Apaurusheya. Apaurusheya means beyond the purview of human intellect. So who has to come there? Shruti. Ishvara has to come and tell us in the Shruti. So therefore say, Etadeva Anum. Now take Bhashya. Etadeva Anumanam. We have seen what Anumanam. As told in the Bhashya. Samsara Vyatirikta Ishvarastitvavadi Sadhanam Manyante Ishvarakarinaha. Ishvarakarinaha. What is Ishvara not Karinaha, Karaniha. वो गड़बड़ होता है. Not Karinaha, Karaninaha. Karanin, Karin, like that. Karanin means, who is this Ishvara Karaninaha? Say, those who profess that Ishvara is the cause of the Jagat. It refers to Tarkikas. It refers to whom? Tarkikas. So Tarkika. Will you agree? What is Ishvara Karaninaha? Those who profess that Ishvara is the cause of who? Jagat. And namely, who are those? Tarkikas. What about you, Vedanti? Don't you accept Ishvara as the cause of Jagat? Then why brand Tarkikas as, actually the word is for Tarkikas only. Why brand Tarkikas as Ishvara Karanin? Because their Ishvara is a specific Ishvara, not our Ishvara. That is what he said. Samsari Vyatirikta Ishvara Astitvavadinaha Vadi Sadhanam. Astitvadi Sadhanam. With that Ishvara, Samsari Vyatirikta, distinct from Samsari. Vedanta accept Ishvara, but who is that? Jiveshvara, Aikya is there. So therefore, Ishvara Karanin refers to who? Tarkikas, who speak of Ishvara distinct from Samsari Jiva. So that is how it is. So Samsari Vyatirikta Ishvara Astitvadi Sadhanam means this Anumana is the sadhana, the means to establish the existence of Ishvara. Adi is that. Adi for Sarvajñatva of Ishvara. So, and which Ishvara it is? Samsari Vyatirikta. Samsari is who? Jiva. So, Jiva Vyatirikta. So, Jiva Vyatirikta Ishvara. So, yes. Samsari Vyatirikta Astitvadi Sadhanam Manyante. Manyante. Consider. Who? Ishvara Karaninaha means Tarkika. You know what Manyante shows? They consider so. Means it is not real, but appears that is abhasa. It only shows a It is not a real anumana, not a valid inference, but a semblance of anumana. This. So who says so? Etadeva anumanam. What is anumana? As seen in the Tika, yat karyam tat sakartrikam, based on bhashya. But bhashya was based on Shruti. They want to discard the Shruti and take only the anumana. So therefore say, samsara vyatirikta ishvara astitvadi, for the astitva, existence of Ishvara distinct from Jiva, adi for sarvajñatva of Ishvara, sadhanam means that anumana can be the means to prove the existence of Ishvara distinct from Jiva and its sarvajñatva. So who consider Ishvara karininaha? So that is what said. That etadeva means, Tika says, continuing, 5th line end. Etadeva means anumanam eva. Sadhanam means this anumana itself is the means to prove Ishvara and sarvajñatva Ishvara. It implies na shrutihi iti manyante iti yojana. Not the Shruti. It is not the Shruti. That is what they consider. Iti yojana means thus you have to arrange this. Or Tikakara says, athava, or etad vyapti jnanam eva. So we also accept it. But how we accept? We accept based on Shruti, whereas they want to discard the Shruti. That is the distinction between Vedanti and them. Athava etad vyapti jnanam eva, this anumana itself, shrutyanugrahaka yukti matratvena. We accept as the reasoning anumana, but how? Shrutyanugrahaka yukti, that which is in accordance with the Shruti, yukti matratvena, asmat sammatam, acceptable to whom? Us. Who are thus we? Vedanti. For Vedanti, this anumana is acceptable. How? As a supporting logic to Shruti, in accordance with Shruti. But what they say? Say, anumanam, sadhanam, sammatam sat, anumanam swatantram iti manyante ityartha. Where the Nayayikas, what they say, Tarkika, it's a swatantra. What is swatantra? Independent of the Shruti. Independent of the Shruti, that is what they consider. Fine. Now, इसका बड़ा भाई आता है अभी. He says, Vaisheshika comes. Vaisheshika. Sir, why only that much? Entire sutra is based on Anumanam. Who Bhagavan Vyasa has done. Sutrakara has done. You see, all this is to Bhashya is introducing the topic to prove that Brahma Sutras are meant to ascertain the tatparya of Upanishadic Vakya. It is not some Anumana that is in store. So step by step now he is proceeding.
Aham vrukshasya reriva kirti prushtham gireriva urdhva pavitro vajiniva svamrutamasmi dravinahum savarchasam sumedha amrutoshitaha iti trishankor vedānuvachanam. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Nana Chidra Gatodara Sthitamaha Deepa Prabhavaswaram Jnanam Yasya Tu Chakshuradikarana Varavahi Spandate Janamiti Tameva Bhandamana शुभसन्ततिं श्रुतिमात्रेण यत्पुंसां ब्रह्मतन्मङ्गलं परम् अतिकल्याणरूपत्वात् नित्यकल्याणसंश्रयात् स्मर्तॄणां वरदत्वाच्च ब्रह्मतन्मङ्गलं विदुः ओङ्कारश्चार्थशब्दश्च द्वावेतौ ब्रह्मणः पुरा कण्ठं भित्त्वा विनिर्यातौ तस्मात् माङ्गलिका उभौ ॐ अथ लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु